Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the contact in the XIAOMI Mi 9. The operation is very easy to do. Just press the number which you want to write it, and you have your option new contact or add to contact or send a message. New contact for me, add the new save contact to. In the device, SIM1 or SIM2. We're gonna save it into the device. We are name hey, it's our contact. This is the number which we write it. You can of course delete it or edit if you want. And that's it. If you want to accept, just click on this place here and you have your new contact saved into the phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!